Alright, we at the other Walmart because the last Walmart didn't go so well. So we here, we gotta get a couple more items. Yeah, let's go.
Hi, I'm Chef Javian.
Hi, I'm Chef William, and we're making red beans and rice. Let's get right to it. Alright, the first thing we need to do is take our Richard's smoked sausage and cut it into slices. So, if you can follow us, please. Okay, so it's very important to keep a clean kitchen. So we need to open our bag of sausage. How do we open this?
I don't know, just break it.
Okay. This is not working. Right? You have an idea? Ladies and gentlemen, a stroke of genius. Okay, we don't need this no more. Okay, so now that we have it open, we take it out. You can go back to the front, Mr. Cameraman. Thank you, sir. Now, if we just carefully move everything. Now we have our. I know we don't have a cutting board. We don't own one of those, but that's alright. We have a plate. Plates work just as fine. Alright? Now, we need it again. Our handy dandy cutting tool. Knife. Okay, now we're gonna cut it into slivers that we can eat. Alright, here we go. Oh, that touched the ground. Okay, cool. Okay. Well, you know, this should be one piece that looks like that. That's fine, you know, that happens.
Alright, I'm finished. So now we have to cut the onion.
Oh my god. Oh my god, they weren't joking. No, it's making me cry, like legitimately.
I'm not crying.
Oh, just stare at it.
I'm not crying.
How? Don't do this. All right, now we cut the onion. How do you cut an onion? You know how to? All right, Jamien's gonna cut the onion. Well done, Jamien. Well done. That is, yes. Yep. Yeah,
Alright,
yep.
and we're gonna cut the video and we're gonna finish cutting the onion. Alright, so we just finished the onions, so now we about to grill the sausage.
But yeah, we're gonna go to sausage with the onions. Alright, now we put the onions and the sausage into the pot and we brown the sausage until it is cooked. Right? That's what you're supposed to do. You know, it's cooked sausage. Okay, now the sausage goes in. Well done. We turn the stove on. Alright, we need a spatula. Can't get it out.
Wow.
Alright, so that's what I was saying. I cannot use a spatula. It's not meant for this.
Oh.
So fine, it's fine. Look, we'll replace it right here. And we'll grab this one.
Oh man.
You know what? I need to get a new holder. So I can't use this spatula either. This one's for eggs, not the sausage.
Oh.
You know what? It's fine. We need the wooden one. Is the one we use. Okay, we're going to grab the wooden one. There it is. See? Oh! I caught it that time, you see? I learned from my mistakes and I grew from it. That's fine. I'm going to put it back in it. Oh God, talk it! Alright, so we have the correct spatula this time. And we decided not to pick it up because that is hurting our time management, and we're most likely just gonna drop it again over and over again. So that's fine. Sausage, stirring it. Yeah, and we'll be back. We'll be back when we're done stirring. All right. Now our sausage is brown. Now we can start adding the beef broth, the kidney beans, and vegetable oil. Let's do that. Alright, now we're in business.
It's like just spray. Alright, so we just finished cleaning the rice. So now we're gonna put it cooking. Now it's cooking, and gotta let those two cook.
We need to. Now we wait. Smells good.
Hey, je suis pas là pour manger, hein? Hi, I'm Granny. I'm Elaine Cusio, William's grandmother and Javian's girlfriend. It looks real nice.
Okay.
Real good.
Real good. Real.
Hey, it's a 10.
10? Dang.
Yes,
Any suggestions? Because like people might make this after I show them.
Well,
the
some people might like it a little more spicy. The salt's perfect. Oh, I didn't taste the sausage
Go
yet.
ahead. You can take just a piece of the sausage. It was browned with the yellow onions.
It's real good.
Richards.
Really good. Honest. You and Javian are ready to get married now.
Listen to me. I did not tell my granny to say this at all. She says all of this from the bottom of her heart because she feels she should say it.
I meant y'all can get married, but not to each other. I hope just because y'all go to Catholic high, y'all smart enough to know that y'all can get married to each other. She just shot out some rice.
Yeah, this.
I'm a rice shooter.
I guarantee you, Granny, none of this is going in the
I
video.
bet you are doing that, huh? William J.
What? I'm telling everybody that they will never see
I'm
this.
never going to Catholic high again. Like I said, look, that's a stupid lady. There's William's stupid grandmother. That's why he's so stupid. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I never get back.
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit, everybody.
Sassy ball and.
Ça, c'est bon. Au revoir, bon de fou.